Hi everyone, I'm Hasdalal, and today I'm going to be looking at one of the many cool AI tools that's available in Resolve 20 Studio Edition. So the first one we'll look at is the Multicam Smart Edit. Guys, this is groundbreaking stuff. Let me show you. Here we go. So this is my timeline, and I've just recorded a really cool podcast session with my good friend Victor Perez. It's coming out very soon. But I'm going to, traditionally, I will just take both the footage. As you can see here, this is Victor speaking, and this is me speaking. And I'll do a traditional multicam edit where I bring it both into the timeline and I'll cut it and spend quite a while getting it all looking good. What I'm going to do here is pretty much that, but even smarter. So let's just select the two footage, right click, and then go to create multicam clip using selected clips. That all looks good. Time code, yep, create. Okay, so that's pretty standard. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my multicam clip into the timeline, as you would do with any multicam edit. Here we go. And we've got a multicam edit. So you're thinking, well, it's just Victor. Where's me? There you go. There's me here. So in traditional, standard multicam, you just right click here and you can switch it between the different angles and you can edit away, right? Then you go here. What we're going to do here is I'm just going to take, this is a 18 minute, 58 seconds episode. So it's quite a long one. I'm just going to maybe just take a section of it, say here. So I'm going to have to sit through this entire thing to cut. There we go. So let's just double check. Perfect. Right. So I'm going to right click now onto my multicam footage here. And you see there's this new thing that's come up at the bottom called Multicam Smart Switch. I'm going to click this. And now I've got some really cool settings. You can see here, AI Multicam Smart Switch. This is the magic sauce. So you got all of these settings, which look pretty okay. Minimum duration, edit 1 second, edit, change delay, text. I'm going to leave them as default. The only thing I'm going to look at is making sure wide angle frequency. Since I'm not swapping different angles, it's all kind of locked. It's a podcast. I'll keep it as medium. And I'm going to change the quality to better because I want the best quality. And I'm just going to click on Analyze. So now it's going to analyze the clip. You can see here it's showing analysis speed in different frames per second. This is a MacBook Pro laptop. So that's my spec. And I'm running Resolve 20 Studio Edition. Okay, so that's done. So that was done in like 4 or 5 minutes, I'll say, maybe less than that. And that was an 8-minute footage that's been cut. And I'm going to zoom in now. Wow, it's actually done the cut. This is awesome. Look at that. Wow. So it's got me doing my talking. Then it's got Victor talking. Then it's got me. I mean, it's pretty clever that it's able to detect who's speaking, who isn't speaking, and just cut it on that spot. It's very, very cool. I love it. Look at this. This is like, it's like at least an hour's work, at least, to cut that up. And it's just done it super quick. Now, what's really cool is it's not like locked in place, which means that this could be my first cut, my first assembly edit, right? And then I can go in and just do some fine tuning. So like maybe here I want to cut to a reaction shot in between what Victor's saying. So I can do a little quick reaction shot here. So I click on that bit here, right click, and switch multicam to me. So then we get some like, he's talking, and then you got me reacting, and then you got him talking. So it's really, really cool. And this has saved me hours of work, right? Because, the actual podcast itself is 18 to 20 minutes long. It will take me forever. And now I've got a really cool assembly edit. In fact, I'm actually happy with the assembly edit, but I'm going to go in and do some fan cutting just to cut some reactions. But this is fantastic. So this is one of the many ways that the AI smart tools from Resolve is really helping creators like myself to really reduce the mundane work and really focus on being creative. So this is awesome. So anyway, if you guys are using Resolve 20 and have used the multicam tool, let me know what you think in the comments below. Until then, see you on the next one.